Hey, this is Sasha. I just wanted to give you a quick reminder about our penny stock course. It is the last week to get this course at a discount. So if you haven't checked out the sales page already, we have 2 videos up right there that you can get an inside look behind the scenes on these courses and get a more detailed overview. So basically you can get both of these courses for the price of one. So what we're doing here on our promotion is if you go ahead and get the penny stock profits course, you can go ahead and get the case studies course absolutely free. Now, this is for people who are staying in touch with us. It's a little promotion. So you're basically, between both of those courses, you're getting a 40% off deal. So what you can do is go ahead and check out some of these modules and really what's inside these courses. They're very detailed. It's not, just a quick 40-minute video here. So some of these videos are 37 minutes long, some are 69 minutes long. So you can see here we talk about the mindsets to trading penny stocks. This one's 53 minutes long, 44 minutes long, trading penny stocks while traveling, practicing your trades in paper trading. Then we talk about trading penny stocks with a small account. That's 46 minutes long. Best brokers, 52 minutes long. Office and setup, and even behind the scenes on my trading desk computer and some tools you may want to check out. Technical analysis basics, healthy chart movements, planning and executing a penny stock trade, trading plan ideas and strategies, questions and answers, resources, study guide, handouts, and we have some other bonuses here as well that are getting posted on the page as we speak and as you're probably watching this video. So definitely check those things out. If you're serious, interested in this course, it is a huge sale for us. So between both courses, you're getting 40% off, because if you get the penny stock profits course, you get the case studies as well. And the case studies is going in depth on the technicals of evaluating over 150 different penny stocks right there. So actually, let me go ahead and show you what that course looks like. And what we've done here with this course is really, when you go ahead and check this out right here, I'll give you some sample clips. When you look at this, it's really just an evaluation of the different penny stocks, and we go over support, resistance, technical analysis, and it's just module after module as you scroll through this, all about penny stocks, over 150 different charts. So here's some sample clips you could check out on the website as well. And if you scroll through the modules, you can see there's a ton of modules here, and I believe this course is, as we go through it, you even get the slide handouts, 11 videos and 6 hours long. So in detail, we go in about 6 hours worth of technical analysis all on penny stocks and looking at tons and tons of charts. All right, so don't miss this sale and discount. It lasts until the end of the week. In fact, we're ending the sale on November 15th. So you have up until that Friday to get the penny stock profits course. And when you get that course, you'll get this course, the case studies, absolutely free with it. So definitely get your order in by Friday, this Friday, and that way you can secure and lock the deal. Once the deals are over, once the promotion and sale is over, I hate to say it, but it's done and over, just like the regular stores. So, if you're watching this video a year or 2 later, we might not have that deal or promotion going on. There might be other deals and promotions, but this deal is over. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me. If you're brand new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe or join us on the newsletter list, so that way you get updated when we have other deals, promotion, sales, specials, or other products that are released. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.